Hey, welcome to Howza Channel. In today's lesson, you will learn how to create bristles in Photoshop. Open the photo you need in Photoshop. Click on Create New Layer at the Layers panel. Click on the History Brush tool from the left sidebar. Zoom in on the picture if needed. Resize the brush at the top menu bar. Click on the color at the left sidebar. Set it to the color you need. We choose light gray. Draw where you want the bristles to be. Click on the Eraser tool from the left sidebar. Clean up the edges. Click on the Elliptical Marquee tool at the left sidebar. Click on Filter at the top menu bar. Choose Noise, Add Noise from the list. Set the amount to approximately 15%. Click OK. Click on the Elliptical Marquee tool at the left sidebar. Make a selection around the painted area. Click on Filter at the top menu bar. Choose Blur, Radial Blur from the list. Set the amount to 10. Check Zoom and Best option. Click OK. Click on Select at the top menu bar. Choose Deselect from the list. Click on Normal at the Layers panel. Set it to Hard Light. Select the desired opacity. That's it. Thanks for watching the video. Please like it and let us know if you use any of our tips and tricks. Subscribe to our channel. We upload new tutorials every day. See ya!